Bingo Cache progress that isn't syncing after a reinstall can be caused by the account you're signed into, the connection, or the app's current sync state, so reinstalling the app again is not the first thing to try. By the end, you'll know what to check when Bingo Cache Cloud Save isn't working, and how to avoid accidentally creating a separate game session. First, make sure you're signed into the same Bingo Cache account you used before. If you previously played while signed in through a particular login method, use that same method after reinstalling. A different login can make the app appear as if your previous progress is missing. Next, check your internet connection. Bingo Cache needs a working connection to communicate with its online services. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then completely close the app and open it again. If the progress appears after changing networks, the original connection was likely preventing the sync from completing. Then, restart your phone. This clears temporary operating system processes without removing your installed apps or account information. After the restart, open Bingo Cache and give the account time to load before changing settings or reinstalling anything. If you're using Android, check that Bingo Cache is allowed to use the necessary network and app permissions. Open Settings, Apps, Bingo Cache, then review the available permissions. The exact options depend on your Android version. On iPhone, open Settings, find Bingo Cache, and review the permissions listed for the app. Make sure you haven't disabled a permission that Bingo Cache requires for normal operation. Also check whether an update is available. Open Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Bingo Cache and install an available update. Then reopen the app and check your account again. If your old progress is still missing, don't create a new account just to test whether the game works. A separate account can make it harder to determine which account contains your existing progress. Instead, contact Bingo Cache support. Explain that your previous progress isn't appearing after signing into your account, and provide the email or login method associated with the account. Include your phone model, operating system version, and the point where the save stops syncing. The key checks are the account, connection, app version, and device permissions. Reinstalling the app again won't necessarily restore progress if the underlying issue is account-related. Your practical next step is to confirm the original login method, switch your connection, restart the phone, and open Bingo Cache again. If the old progress still doesn't appear, contact official support before creating another account. If this fixed your cloud save problem, like the video and subscribe for more Bingo Cache fixes.